The Liangmai tribe is one of the indigenous communities of Northeast India who inhabit in the state of Manipur, Nagaland and Assam. The Manipur government declared Chaga Ngee as restricted state holiday in December 2021. Chaga Ngee is the biggest and the most important festival of the Liangmai community. Today, this festival is celebrated every year on 30th Chaga Hill, October, in all villages, cities and towns where the Liangmai reside, with cultural showcases, sport items and highlight grand feast. According to an ancient account, Chaga Ngee is a festival of purification, sanctification, and rededication. During this festival, male folks get sanctified themselves in preparation for the war. The first established village of the Hamai people is Guang Oglong. In the course of time, people grew in numbers and became populous. They were bound to expand the settlement area. Later on, the region was popularly known as Makwilwangdi. It consists of 7,777 households. Makwilwangdi is the origin village of the Hamai people. From Makwilwangdi, the people dispersed to different directions of Manipur, Nagaland, and Assam. The biggest and the most awaited festival, Chaga Ngee 2022, will be celebrated at Makwilwangdi Liangmai village on 30th October 2022.